Birdman here from Hot Rod Customs, back at you. So this little thing here is a tubing bender, and I made some modifications to it, and I used what Swag Off-Road sells as a kit that you can take the Harbor Freight tubing bender and make it a better tubing bender. And so it comes with the wings and all this other stuff, and you kind of weld it together and you make it happen. It uses a 4-ton press, which I bought at home at Harbor Freight, and I bought the pipe threading machine from Harbor Freight, which has different dyes if you want to do black pipe. But my purpose for this really is to bend tubing. And so if I'm doing some roll cage stuff, light roll cage stuff, or if I'm bending some, panels, interior panels, floor panels and whatnot, I can use this particular little machine. So I'm excited to have it done. I've tried it out a little bit. It works nice, and I recommend this company highly because they built some really nice products. That's it. Or I can put a piece of pipe in there and bend it, but. Yeah, so I can say, here's another item from Vevor that I bought from them. Pretty impressive, works nice. And I adapted it to the Swag system for this modified tubing bender. And it's pretty simple. It has a easy to load onto this system here, and it'll thread the pipe. I can plug it in if you want, John, but it'll thread the pipe. Cool. You can take the pipe and bend it and start your curve. Let me just get this thing set up so it kind of shows what it does. Okay, so now if I want to bend this thing, I turn this switch. As you apply pressure, it will start to make this pipe. Bend. These parts are produced by a company called Swag Off, and they make a lot of different things for modifying some Harbor Freight tooling. So you can really create any circle you want to create. So, here's what you get, you know what I mean? So you can start to do roll cage, you can do a lot of things with this, and it will really enhance your tube bending ability.